So really, this is just a quick statement of what you're going to do for the next, well, 25 minutes now, 30 minutes. You're going to try out some Jupyter notebooks, as Andy said in the previous session. Those notebooks are available locally. You should have downloaded PSyclone, should be available locally. If you go into wherever you've installed PSyclone and go into /tutorial/notebooks, you should see the notebook tutorial information there. If you've not installed Jupyter yet, which you'll need, please do that now. And I think Andy has already gone through this before, but if you're a native Linux or in a VM, and he quite rightly said that really that means if you've got a local web browser, then all you need to do is to go into that directory and then do Jupyter-notebook and then the introduction.ipynb, IPython notebook, I think it stands for. It's a little bit different for WSL, that's what I use, but in that case, there's no web browser easily installable in it. So what the easiest way to do it is to go to the same place, to tutorial notebooks, and then this time, as Andy said before, do Jupyter Notebook with a no browser option, and that will just start up. You'll see some, I think he's even shown, Andy showed some before, I'm not going to show that now, but you'll see there's some URLs that are shown as things that you could use, and then just go into your Windows browser and paste that in, and you should get through to the same thing, the introduction.ipynb. Now, if you have a problem with both of these things, then you can do the online version if you want to, which is using my binder, and I've put the link down there. That's on our website, so you can just go to that in the tutorial and just click on that, and then the same thing will start up. So hopefully you'll get those things started. Now, when you do get those things started, and if you have problems, of course, tell us in Slack and we'll try and help you through. But if you do get those things sorted, you'll see that there are three tutorials. Once you've read the blurb at the top, you'll see there are three tutorials you could go through. There's fparser 2, PSyIR, and Nemo. But please don't do the Nemo one, because you're going to hear a lot about Nemo in the next couple of days, and it's probably not worth doing a very shallow version of that. So, but if you could please do the fparser 2 one, and then the PSyIR one afterwards. Like I said before, any questions or problems on Slack and on the PSyclone channel if possible. Yeah, if you don't know about Jupyter Notebooks, well, I didn't when I started. All you do is just read the little section and keep clicking on run, and it'll every time you click on run, it'll move you to the next section. So just think of it like that. It's quite easy to do. Okay, with that, good luck, have fun, enjoy, and we'll talk to you on Slack. And we'll stop the session in just over 20 minutes.